kungabi umthetho wanoma ubani, makube umthetho osilida sonke, including namaphoyisa, ngoba nobody is above the law. Akekho ungaphezu komthetho. We are equal in this country, as equally as the law. So we are asking, we are demanding as well to say all the officers abagcwele la singababiza ngamagama, singababiza bayabaza yebo. Abu Machete, nobody foot. Abu Machete, nobody foot in the wood. Kulumani, Abu Machete, Nabu Jacobs, Nabu Bani. Bakhulumeni ningasazi sila sizonikeza ikhulu ukuthi sidila ngalawo maphoyisa. Ziningi indawo la ezihijackwa abantu bokufika, abantu basekhaya banayindawo. We are saying to him as a police officer, go and investigate those people abahijacke indawo. Abantu basekhaya bafuna indawo zokuhlala. We are saying lay down esezihijackwa abantu bokufika ezifanelele kube kuhlala thina. Mabahambe nabantu bethu sibabonise, baphume labo bantu. Ungene bantu basekhaya bazokwazi ukubhadala irenti, babhadale nama-services. Laba abantu bokufika babhadale lutho bapretensha amanzi. And leyo nto leyo ingenzeka basebenzisana nabahlali bakwazi ukubonisa bancedise kulo mthetho. Ngoba mina ningamaphoyisa lokhu angiyahluleka. Labantu bokufika bayangidelela, bayangishayela ukubashaya. And the Hitumele Sifume, Tina, Sisebenzisana nani, will be behind you. Abantu bofika, bakumele bafike kithi, babaqale kithi. Bababulale thina kuqala. Ngeke sibele le nto bahlala. Njengoba size la silethe i-memorandum, sizoyifunda le memorandum yabo. Bayizwe ukuthi sikhala ngani. Kanti ivoice yami iyi-military on its own. It's a military voice. Sizofunda i-memorandum yethu yanamhlanje esibeka ukuthi sifike la emaphoyiseni. Nizoyizwa le memorandum le ikhuluma konke esikushilo la. Kwama-drugs, kokusebenzisana namaphoyisa, nalamabhilidi agcwele la ahijackiwe abantu bakithi banganandawo zokuhlala. Siyafuna kubo ukuthi kusebenzisane nabantu bakithi, bababonise lezo indawo. Labantu isikhathi sokuthi kumele bahambe baye emakubo, bayohijacka endaweni zakubo, hayi la eSouth Africa. Orange Group concern citizen memorandum of demand. Section 13.4 reminder. Date of the 11th July, Provincial Police District Office. Attention Station Commander, Norwood Police Station. The reason why city attention also to Station Commander, we want him now, I told a copy, so that he can acknowledge inkinga esihlangabezana nazo emhlabeni. Ingakho sinibizile sibiza naye, asibhekanga nina kuphela. Enforcement of Section 13.4, South African Police Service Act 68 of 1995. Background and concern. The community of Orange Grove is experiencing severe challenges due to overcrowding by undocumented foreign nationals in residential area, workplace and hijack houses. Thina singabahlali base Orange Grove siyakhalaza ngabafika ngokuba baningi endaweni yethu baze basindezela endaweni yethu. Ngisho nasemisebenzini nasezindlini abasihijacking. Escalating drug trafficking and supply networks contributing to high crime rates. There's an escalation yama drugs la agcwele. Lama drugs namhlanje akhubaza izandla ingane zethu not ingane zamakwerekwere ezamakwerekwere bazise ezikolweni ukuthi baziprepare zizothatha umhlaba wethu ezethu kumele zinikezwe ama-drugs zibe yiyula zingazi lutho. Allegation of police officer accepting bribes from criminals, drug dealers and undocumented foreign nationals instead of executing lawful arrest. Community members further allege that arrested undocumented foreign nationals are often released without proper verification by Department of Home Affairs. Weak evidence is deliberately submitted in drug-related cases, resulting in perpetrators being released without trial. Yilento esiyishilo ukuthi ubuningi balabantu abathengisa ama-drugs bayaboshwa bese kufihlwa i-evidence ukuthi icala lingasaqhubeki liye phambili iyenziwa yibo bona amaphoyisa wangakithi. Demand and expectation. Manje siya kwizinto esizifunayo ukuthi zenzeke. Number 1, joint operation. Ukusebenzisana between ama-department awu-2 Home Affairs namaphoyisa. Norwood Police Station must invite immigration officers and the Department of Home Affairs to conduct joint operation enforcing Immigration Act number 13 of 2002 against undocumented foreign nationals. Number 2, drug enforcement. Regular operation must be conducted under the Drugs and Drug Trafficking Act 140 of 1992 to ensure Orange Grove and Norwood are free from drug-related crimes. Number 3, anti-corruption. Police officers must cease accepting bribes from drug dealers and undocumented foreign nationals, as these contravene both the Immigration Act number 13 of 2002 and Drugs and Drug Trafficking Act 140 of 1992. Duty compliance. Le ngiyithanda kakhulu ngoba ibhekene namaphoyisa. Police officials must uphold section 13.4 and 13.2 of the South African Police Service Act 68 of 1995, ensuring competency and accountability in executing their duties. So le ichaza kahle ukuthi amaphoyisa under umthetho othizeni, they must make sure ukuthi ngokosiqinisoko bayenza umsebenzi wabo ngemfanelo abaqashelwe yona. Bayenze ngesiqiniso ukuthi ama-drugs, umuntu othengisa ama-drugs uyaboshwa. Umuntu ongekho kumthetho uyaboshwa. I-oath aye bayisayinela lento ukuthi mina ngizokwenza lokho. Manje amaphoyisa wanamhlanje sewagijimisa nje kuba phezu kwe-uniform athi mina ngiyokoleka, abasayenzi ukufanelekile. Number six, immigration enforcement. Police must act with Section 41 of the Immigration Act number 13 of 2002, arresting without warrant all undocumented foreign nationals roaming around Norwood. Police can arrest without a warrant if they see a criminal activity taking place. If kunobugebengu obenziwayo, iphoyisa linelungelo under a Criminal Procedure Act, which also visas immigration law, bangambopha umuntu babambona ukuthi unobugebengu. Angithi fana nami abangibona ngibamba inkunzi estradeni banelungelo lokungibopha ngoba bayangibona. So lama drugs athengiswayo la balili bayobona, why babangabophi labo bantu bangene ngoba sineshikile yonke. Amaphoyisa wethu anamandla ene ngizozama ukuyibeka ngento le. Hayi wonke lamaphoyisa, kunamaphoyisa aphansi kwencindezelo acindezelwa abantu abaphezulu ngoba yibo abaphusha lawo ma-drugs. Iphoyisa malithi liyambopha liyafonela kuthiwa yekela lowo muntu, siyakwazi lokho kwenzeka lokho. bathi hayi ungambophi loyo bangambophi uzophelelwa umsebenzi kwawona amaphoyisa asebenza kanje athukile agcina awela kuyo leyo nto yomkhonyovi mabafane nomkhwanathi lawo maphoyisa
yebo
community partnership. Norwood Police Station must establish a cooperative relationship with the community to combat crime without intimidation or blackmail based on unfounded allegation. Yilento eyenzakala kule police station. Umphakathi walama uthi uyeza uzokhulumisana namaphoyisa ukuthi asisebenzisaneni sikwazi ukuncedisa ukuqeda ubugebengu obukhona kuma drugs undocumented abantu bangaphandle bokufika amaphoyisa la azama ukubagenyeza ngento eyenzeka kudala ukuthi nina nenza lokhu kanti bona bese ngeqiniso la ukuzosebenzisana nabo sithi mayiphele leyo nto mabasebenzisane nabantu leyo ke ngokuyisikhalazo sethu sokugcina sizobanika basayinele imemorandum yethu and phezu kwaloko njengoba sicelile ukuthi inkokheli ezizoba ziphuma kuwonke imikhandlo ekhona la sizocela mhlaba babiza kuze zonke inkokheli kungeza abantu abawu2 ngoba bazofuna ukubacindezela kumele basibone sisonke ngeinhlanga ezihlukile sibuye eGP sibuye uVeli noma kukuphi sizongena la ngelanga lokukhulumisana nabo kakhulu into engijabulisayo iya ku Primus office ila sifuna ukuhlala nabo khona and bamlethe no station commander wala abe khona emhlanganweni
yebo
awusayina mu
asemulabala
awusayina mu
awusayina mu
asemo awusayina mu
asemula
awusayina mu asemo
rushelile asemulabala
Men det skulle se det är så säkert. Speciellt alltså speciellt längre på det. Ah, så speciellt längre. Vi då har på.
skethile bafowethu sekukhathalekile ezinto esikuwesile
Vele sokuphelile phela. Sokuphelile.
senzosithatha isibheke
Yabona nje mina ngisemsebenzini.